Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today with another sketch note entry. And again, I am not an artist, I'm not even a doodler, but I really feel compelled to want to just, sketch note what I'm studying and learning. So I am trying to sketch it out first, a rough draft on paper, and then I'm going to use stencils and anything else I feel that's going to help me to make it look more presentable. Like this was a Creative Memories stencil that I used for scrapbooking. I used several stencils on that one, and just so coincidentally, this was the first one that I did. So just then I went back and said, oh, I'm going to do, I did 2 pages. I'm going to do one about the Bible, and then I'm going to do one with the books of the Bible right here, and I will speed it up, but I just wanted to show you what I'm going to do, and hopefully it will turn out decent. I think it will. We'll see how it goes. So anyway, I will keep that process in here because I know a lot of people like to see, the process. You've been, fast speed, but you'll be able to see it. So just hold on, and I'll be right back. Finally finished. Yay, yay, yay. Real quickly, what I used, in case there's any questions, I used these big intensities, define them. few Crayola crayons, which didn't do that great for me, and some knockoff Dollar Tree ones I think are in there as well. So my red did not come out great like I wanted it. I used some Dollar Tree highlighters, Jot. I used some Spectrum art liners and some Ink Joys. I used my big, this is my Artist Loft illustrator pen with the brush nib. And I don't think I used this one. Yes, I did. This is a Dollar Tree Rolo ball. I used my Ranger archival ink and ink block. And of course I used my Artist Loft eraser, stamps. I used the floral and the vine out of here by this Happy Planner stamp. This is a firefly I got from Tuesday morning, but I also seen them in Dollar Tree upside down. I used the plants out of there in the vase. And what you saw me doing there is I put tape on the top half of this, the flower part, so that ink won't get on it, so I can only stamp the base part. And then this is a Heidi Swart one, which I got from Tuesday morning with Michael's or somewhere I could sell it. And I used hashtag has my heart, star, top priority, star, and then the camera. And then this butterfly says time flies, and the arrow says warning, and I put it next to the box of the book of Revelation because God is trying to warn us. So those were my supplies that I used. And I think that is everything. What I wanted to say was, you know, I put the little green foliage around one because it makes me think of growth, going in the Word. And then, you know, he says, ye are the branches and I am the vine. So, you know, again, it makes me think about growth. And the only way we grow in is not just going to church and worshiping. You have to read, because he is the Word. And if you don't know the Word, how can you say you know him? So really encourage yourself to really start learning the Word and reading the Word. You don't have to understand everything you read. Time will bring that together. Just read it and pray about it and research and everything, let it come to pass. I will say the only thing about these sketch papers is using highlighters on them. It's terrible. So I hate how my hearts came out. They look all waxy. There we go. Scratch some of that wax off. But anyway, that is my page. All I have to do now is to date it. And today is what, February the 7th. So I am going to put that right here. 2/7/21. Don't know when the video will be up, but that's when it is done. And oh, the other thing I did was, you notice the colors that I used. I have a Bible color coding videos up on my channel, and I show how I memorize the Bible, like where they're located in every verse, just like where stuff is located in the Bible by color coordinating. So yellow is the books of law, pink is history, blue is poetry and wisdom, green is major prophets, and then orange was minor prophets. Then when I go into the New Testament, I use my gospel as yellow, my pink is history, blue is the Pauline epistles, green is the general epistles, and orange is apocalypse. So that way, you know, I remember Old Testament, New Testament, what they stand for. And you saw me hesitating on trying to write in some of the names because I know I write fast and try to get all those letters in there. You know, I try to figure out how I was going to do it, but that's okay. I got them in there best I could. You get the idea, and I just want to put some plants again just to show the life of the Word. So I'm pleased with it. Not perfect, but I'm pleased with it, and I love how it turned out. And so again, you can check out my others. I have a that's just my page, so we can go through. You know, I have a series of these, so you can check out the playlist to see my journey as I attempt again. I'm a novice at doing my Bible sketch notes. So thanks for liking, watching, and let God use you as his scribe. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.